Hi everyone. So we're starting the Remember Your Breath challenge, and the first day is to talk about the introduction to your breath. So one of the things I wanted to bring to your awareness is that we often shallow breathe and we are not getting enough oxygen into our bodies, which also leads to us having higher stress levels and higher anxiety levels. So I want to walk you through how to properly breathe so that while we're doing this challenge, you actually are good to go. So if you're sitting in a seat like I am right now, sit up nice and tall. I would recommend placing one hand on your chest and one on your belly. You can't see my belly right here because I'm sitting in a chair, but make sure that your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Go ahead and take a gentle breath in through your nose. So fill your lungs up all the way with air. And exhale it out through your mouth slowly. So in that breath, I want you to pay attention to what happens with the hand on your chest and the hand on your belly. So as you take a deep breath in through your nose, allow your chest to rise, but then breathe into your belly. So don't suck your belly in. Deeply inhale in through your belly, but also allow that air to fill up in the back of your lungs. So let's try that now. So deep breath in through your nose. And then exhale it out through your mouth. One more time, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale it out through your mouth. Beautiful. Did you know that when you're severely stressed or feel very overwhelmed, if you stop and take about 5 to 7 of these breaths, it will help calm you down a bit so that you can actually revisit whatever you're working on. Try this breath out. Talk about, what your challenges are in the chat, and then let me help you become better at breathing. Have an incredible day. Bye.